Oh shit, my shirt ripped. Why? Anyways, sleeping while snoring. I think there's a double standard between males and females when snoring. Because I snore barely, but my girlfriend, on the other hand, she likes to snore very, very loudly. I'm not saying she's a bitch at all. She's a bitch. But I think she's purposely snoring loudly just to annoy me. Which is doing a fucking good job. Thank you. But it's getting to the point where I'm getting my sleep hours to 5 to 6 hours instead of 7 to 8, while she's getting a good 8 to 9 hours. Fucking bitch. And she plays it off in the morning like, "Good morning, baby." And I wake up dazed because I'm tired as fuck while I see her eye booger, like eye crust shit all over her face. The way she snores is not a normal snore like a cute girl. What can I say cute girl? A cute snore, I guess. It's a her snore is like a lion fucking a whale in a cage. More like a spit, kind of. Like, kind of like that. And for those of you who want someone off your back, just do that noise. Just automatically make that noise in front of their face. As if they're calling you a bitch ass motherfucker. What you do next is threaten them with a spit, like, immediately they'll back off. I guarantee it. If they don't, you can sue me. Please don't. I'm so poor and Asian. I'm Asian. At the end of the day, I still love my girlfriend because I spent way too much money and time into her. And she better love me back because I love her. If she don't love me back, thank you for watching and hope you guys come again.